All right, if you're like me, always damaging my canopy, ripping it, and then throwing it away, stop throwing it away. They sell replacements, all right? This is a 10 by 10 canopy. It comes with rope, just in case you need extra rope. This is my canopy I have. People have thrown this away, but not me. We're going to recycle it. We're going to reuse it again. So even if you leave it in the sun and it's going to damage it, it's okay. You can always replace it. So we're going to set this up, all right? All right, let me correct that, all right? This is the corner ones, all right? So that's the corner. All right, this is the entire setup. It's about 10 by 10. You guys can see 10 by 10. It's huge. We're gonna go see the inside. I like that they give you these clips, so you can clip this out pretty much anywhere. Now let's take a look at the inside. You have the airflow inside, right? In mine, so you just push it up pretty much and set up. Now they do give you a Velcro for every single corner here. You guys can see that. So Velcro to hold down the actual ties. So they give you the ties here, and we forgot to set that one, but we'll put that when we're back down. But this is the entire thing right here. It is huge. Air comes in and out, so you don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna lower it down so you guys can see the entire thing. All right, just lower it down completely so you guys can see the material of it. Beautiful, well made. It's, if it's too tight in one end, just untie it and then set it up properly, because I am gonna really do it again. But right now I just want you to see it when it's down completely. It's huge. It's 10 by 10. See how the wind's coming in through here? That's to prevent from the actual whole entire tent to come off, because the old ones didn't have that. And you can see the mosquito net too if you're planning to use this as a camping house too. So, which is great. Putting it away is easier. I'm just gonna leave it as is with the thing, and you can see the reflection. It's white. It's like a pearl color. So if you guys are looking for replacements, instead of throwing it away, the old one, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy the video.